This video is for informational purposes only. It is not to be substituted for professional medical advice. Please consult a doctor for further advice.
Otosclerosis. What is otosclerosis? Otosclerosis is a term derived from oto, meaning of the ear, and sclerosis, meaning abnormal hardening of body tissue. The condition is caused by abnormal bone remodeling in the middle ear. Bone remodeling is a lifelong process in which bone tissue renews itself by replacing old tissue with new. In otosclerosis, abnormal remodeling disrupts the ability of sound to travel from the middle ear to the inner ear. Caucasian middle-aged women are most at risk. What causes otosclerosis? Otosclerosis is most often caused when one of the bones in the middle ear, the stapes, becomes stuck in place. When this bone is unable to vibrate, sound is unable to travel through the ear and hearing becomes impaired. Many cases of otosclerosis are thought to be inherited. Scientists think it could be related to a previous measles infection, stress fractures to the bony tissue surrounding the inner ear, or immune disorders. What are the symptoms of otosclerosis? Hearing loss is the most frequently reported symptom of otosclerosis, which starts in one ear and then moves to the other ear. This loss may happen very gradually. Many people with otosclerosis first notice that they are unable to hear low-pitched sounds or can't hear a whisper. Some of them may also experience dizziness, body balance, or tinnitus. Tinnitus is a ringing, roaring, buzzing, or hissing in the ears or head that sometimes occurs with hearing loss. Diagnosed by whom? Otosclerosis is diagnosed by healthcare providers who specialize in hearing. These include number 1, an ENT, because they are doctors who specialize in diseases of the ears, nose, throat, and neck. Number 2, an otologist, a doctor who specializes in diseases of the ears. Or number 3, an audiologist, a healthcare professional trained to identify, measure, and treat hearing disorders. How is otosclerosis diagnosed? The first step in the diagnosis is to rule out other diseases or health problems that can cause the same symptoms as otosclerosis. Next steps include hearing tests that measure hearing sensitivity, audiogram, and middle ear sound conduction, tympanogram. Sometimes imaging tests such as a CT scan can also be used to diagnose otosclerosis. How is otosclerosis treated? Currently, there is no effective drug treatment for otosclerosis. Mild otosclerosis can be treated with a hearing aid that amplifies sound. Surgery known as the stapedectomy is also suggested, where a surgeon removes all or part of the original stapes bone and replaces it with an artificial device into the middle ear to bypass the abnormal bone and permit sound waves to travel to the inner ear and restore hearing. Please note, before any surgery, it is important to discuss any surgical procedure with an ear specialist to clarify potential risks and limitations of the operation.